Supreme Court is entering the final stretch of its term with major rulings still expected on some of the country's most divisive social issues. The court's 6-3 conservative majority has repeatedly moved U.S. law to the right, and several cases remaining could continue that trend. Jan Wolf is a legal affairs reporter for Reuters.
The Supreme Court has not shied away from hot-button social issues this term, and in the coming weeks we're going to get some decisions on social issues like gun control, transgender rights, and immigration, issues that are really fueling the culture wars in this country.
On guns, the justices are weighing two cases that could further expand Second Amendment protections. One case involves a Hawaii law requiring a property owner's express permission before someone can carry a handgun onto private property open to the public. The other asks whether the government can ban people who unlawfully use controlled substances from possessing firearms.
I do think you will see the court struggle a little bit with this one. I think, based on what I'm hearing from legal experts, the court will strike down this federal criminal law, which, by the way, was one of the charges against Hunter Biden, the former President Joe Biden's son. But I think it'll be a narrow decision.
The court is also considering cases from Idaho and West Virginia regarding transgender athletes in public schools. Those laws restrict transgender athletes from competing on girls' and women's sports teams. During January arguments, the conservative majority appeared likely to allow the restrictions to remain in place, at least for now. But the justices could also avoid a sweeping ruling by sending the cases back to lower courts for more fact-finding. On immigration, the court is weighing President Trump's executive order seeking to limit birthright citizenship. The order would direct federal agencies not to recognize some children born in the United States as citizens if neither parent is a U.S. citizen or lawful permanent resident. The case centers on the 14th Amendment, which has long been understood to guarantee citizenship to nearly everyone born on U.S. soil.